It was a bit of a shock to have it happen in Brisbane. You always think it's not going to happen here, but especially now that it's come out to Goodna and Ipswich and places like that, you can see the real effect it's had on the community, etc. So, businesses, homes, people are just homeless and without any of the property they had. So.
Houses on top of hills have even been flooded, and then there's the bottom of the hill which has just been devastated. So it's quite intense.
I think we are making a difference, hopefully deterring looters, etc. And yeah, so I think we are doing good, especially that presence in the community. I think the community appreciate that. So, Luke Carl, we're doing Operation Safeguard. It's the looting operation.
Yeah. Okay.
You heard about that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Any other problems that you know of?
No.
Seeing it's just totally different. You're amazed.